and what we're doing and why we're here. My name is Ira Sutherland. I'm with the UBC Ancient Forest Committee. I also volunteer with the Ancient Forest Alliance, as well as the Western Canada Wilderness Committee. And at the AFC, the Ancient Forest Committee, what we do is we're trying to raise awareness among Vancouverites of the depletion of BC's old growth forests and the non-timber value of these forests, with the aim of steering the government towards more sustainable forest management. So we do these hikes, we invite everybody out, anybody who wants to come. We hope that the hike will inspire them and educate them, hopefully inspire them to make a donation to one of the organizations, volunteer some time, anything like that. But just generally, the more education to the public, the better. So, well, I'm very excited today. This is one of my favorite forest hikes in the whole Lower Mainland. It's one of my preferred hikes because we see a wide diversity of forests as we move through it. And I'm going to be making a series of stops along the way. At the beginning, we're going to look at some historical sites of logging, and use that as a context to talk about the timber value of these forests, which is what they've been primarily valued for in the past. As we move into the older and the less disturbed forests, we're going to look at some of the non-timber values. So these ecological values such as biodiversity, carbon storage, and how that contributes to stability of our ecosystem, we're going to talk about, because that hasn't been recognized as much as the timber value of these forests. So, does anybody have any questions about the logistics of the hike before we begin? All right. So we're going to start off following the the Brothers Creek Fire Road. This fire road actually used to be the bed of a railway, a really unique railway called the Walking Dudley. The Walking Dudley was capable of climbing steep mountainsides, and it would go right from the ocean below up to the mill that we're about to see, and would carry logs down to the seashore. And keep an eye out for edible berries along the way. There's lots of salmon berries. Salmon berries are, they look a lot like raspberries, except they're yellow, red, or orange. Totally edible. Feel free to taste it. You also might see some blueberries, which are edible as well. There's probably about 15 edible berries in this forest, and those are the only ones that I think will be out now. So don't be tempted to taste other things. There are a few things that aren't too good for you. We don't want anybody getting sick. We want everybody to stay nice and safe today and have a good time. And also, as we move along, we get a great view of the city. So have a nice look at that. Feel free to pause and take in the view. Other than that, let's get going.